Here's my recipe for the day. I just drop dry on food, and then now I have banana here. You have to cut it. You cut it. There's 2 bananas. It's for cooking. Very good protein. 2 bananas. Then you get the mango. Oh, you put the salad first. You put the salad. Spinash salad. Spinach salad. There we go. And then you put some almond milk. Alright. And you put some soy milk. Yeah. And then you add mango. I'm gonna get a spoon. A spoon for the mango. Alright. Okay. I have a good knife. It's good to have a good knife when you prepare. Oh, it's just, the mango is just perfect, ripped. It's my favorite. Just to add some sugar here. I don't put sugar, so that's my sweet part. It's those mango. I put it here, and then I like the edge here. Oh, here we go. Yeah. Sarap. I'm going to throw that. When I prepare, I always like to clean right away. It's like a restaurant here. So I clean everything, and then I cook. That's my meal for the day. I'm going to throw those things. Okay. Put the cover. It's a very great mixer. Came from France. I carried in my luggages. And then here we go. Number 1, number 2. Alright, this is done. Be sure to have a glass, and then that's your meal. And then you get a fasting at 6 p.m. 6 p.m. I'm going to have a fasting until 10 a.m. in the morning. Okay, alright guys, cheers, enjoy your meal. Unbelievable.